Most people in their 20s are not broke because they don't have opportunities. They are broke because they are using the wrong platforms or no platforms at all. And here's the truth, no one tells you. Wealth in your 20s is not about working harder. It is about choosing systems that multiply your effort. But most people get this completely wrong. They chase random side hustles. They jump from app to app. And they never build momentum. Now imagine if you had 10 platforms that actually help you earn, save, invest, or build skills that turn into money. Not theory. Real platforms people are using right now to grow wealth step by step. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 best platforms that can genuinely help you build wealth in your 20s. And I'll show you exactly how people are using them in real life, with simple examples so you can start immediately. And stay with me, because in a minute I'll show you the one platform that quietly makes more people rich than any trading app or crypto trend ever has. Let's start from the beginning. The first platform is Upwork. Upwork is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world. And it is where millions of young people start turning skills into income. Here's how it works. You offer a service like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even simple admin work. Then clients hire you from anywhere in the world. For example, imagine Alex in his early 20s. He learns basic video editing. He uploads a simple profile on Upwork. Within a few weeks, he gets small jobs editing YouTube videos. Those small jobs turn into consistent income. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect high-paying clients immediately. That does not happen. You start small. Then you grow. Now let's move to the second platform. Fiverr.org. Fiverr is similar to Upwork, but more productized. Instead of applying for jobs, you create gigs that people buy. So instead of saying, I do video editing, you say, I will edit your YouTube video for $20. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fiverr rewards clarity. The clearer your offer, the more you sell. A student like Jake can start by offering simple logo designs or resume writing. No experience needed. Just consistency. But remember, competition is high. So you need to focus on one skill and improve it over time. Now let's talk about something more powerful for long-term wealth. The third platform is YouTube. YouTube is not just entertainment. It is one of the biggest wealth-building platforms in the world. Because here's the truth. Content compounds. A video you upload today can still make money years later. For example, John starts a simple channel about budgeting tips. At first, nobody watches. But after a few months, one video goes viral. That video brings thousands of views every month. Now here's where most people fail. They quit too early. YouTube is a long-term game, not overnight success. And in a minute, I'll show you a platform that helps beginners grow faster on YouTube, even without followers. But first, let's move to number 4. Skillshare. Skillshare is a learning platform where you can both learn and earn. You learn skills like animation, marketing, photography, or productivity. But here's the interesting part. You can also teach. So, a 22-year-old who learns design can later upload a course and earn passive income. Now this is where it gets powerful. Instead of trading time for money, you start building digital assets. But here's the problem. Many people consume content without applying it. Learning alone does not build wealth. Execution does. Now let's talk about number 5. Notion templates and digital products. Platforms like Gumroad. Gumroad allows you to sell digital products like templates, guides, and ebooks. For example, someone creates a budgeting spreadsheet for students. They upload it once. And people buy it repeatedly. This is powerful because it removes time limits from income. Imagine building something once and earning from it for years. But here's the catch. You need to understand what people actually want, not what you think is useful. Now let's move to something more investment-focused. The 6th platform is Robinhood or similar investing apps. These apps allow you to invest in stocks with small amounts of money. So instead of waiting to be rich, you start building wealth early. For example, Emily invests small amounts monthly into index funds. Over time, Her money grows through compounding. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people try to time the market. Smart people stay consistent instead. And in a minute, I'll show you a platform that helps you understand investing without overwhelming complexity. But first, let's continue. The seventh platform is Binance or Coinbase for crypto learning and investing. Crypto is risky, but it is also one of the most discussed wealth tools of this generation. Platforms like Binance allow you to buy and learn about digital assets. But here's the truth. Most beginners lose money because they follow hype instead of research. So the key is education first, investment second. Now let's move to number 8. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not just a job board. It is a networking engine. People in their 20s often ignore it. Big mistake. Because the reality is, opportunities come from visibility. For example, Jake posts his projects regularly on LinkedIn. A recruiter sees it. He gets an internship offer. Now here's the secret. You don't need to be famous. You just need to be visible in your niche. Now let's talk about number 9. Etsy. Etsy is a platform for selling creative products. Digital planners, art, stickers, printables. All of these sell on Etsy. A student named Sarah creates aesthetic study planners. She uploads them once and earns from global buyers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many Etsy sellers never touch physical inventory. Everything is digital. That means low cost, high margin potential. Now finally, let's talk about the 10th and most underrated platform. This one is not an app most people think of as a wealth tool. It is Google. Yes, Google Search and Google Ecosystem. Because everything we talked about connects back here. People search for problems. And platforms like YouTube, blogs, and digital products solve those problems. If you understand what people search for, you can build income streams around it. For example, someone searches, how to save money in college. A YouTube video answers it. That video earns ad revenue. Or a digital product solves the same problem and sells repeatedly. Now here's the big picture. All these platforms are tools. But the real wealth is not in the platform itself. It is in how you use it. If you combine skills from Fiverr, content from YouTube, networking from LinkedIn, and investing from apps like Robinhood, you build a full ecosystem of income. That is how people in their 20s quietly build financial independence. Not luck. Not shortcuts. Systems. Now, let's quickly summarize everything. Upwork and Fiverr help you earn active income. YouTube and Skillshare help you build long-term digital assets. Gumroad and Etsy help you sell products that scale. Investing apps like Robinhood and Binance help you grow wealth passively. LinkedIn helps you unlock opportunities. And Google is the foundation of everything. But the most important lesson is this. You don't need all 10 platforms. You need one to start. Most people fail because they try everything and master nothing. Pick one platform. Focus for 90 days. Build consistency. That is where real change begins. Because wealth in your 20s is not about knowing everything. It is about starting before everyone else does. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which platform you're starting with, and subscribe for more practical guides that help you build money skills step by step.